This tutorial will show you how to edit a page using your Cornerstone plugin. Cornerstone is a way for you to edit your pages and make it real user friendly and be able to make it where the pages can be really beautiful and not really generic. So it'll allow you to add different elements, columns, sections, and things of that nature. So what we'll do is we'll just use the about page as our sample page of how to edit a page. This page is already developed, so if you need to go back in and see or need to go back in and change some words around, this is what it will show. Currently, there are two sections located on this page. The first section is this section up here, and then the second section, go back. The second section is down here. It's actually empty, so we really don't need anything. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll leave it there so I can show you how to add elements. All right, so if you want to edit this text, you click on the area that you want to edit, and it will appear on the left side in this area here. What I like to do is click expand visual. That way I can kind of see if I want to add anything. I can just type it in here. If I want to take anything out, I can just delete it. This right here is not text like this. This is actually a graphic. You will never change anything like this. You will have to actually change the graphic in Photoshop or any other graphic editing software and just add it in as an image. But for right now, this is a graphic, so it's nothing that you can edit in Cornerstone. Once you finish editing your page, you want to click Save. Always want to click Save. Always want to make sure it's correct and you don't lose that information. And that's pretty much how to edit the page. We're going to go down here and I'm going to show you how to add a section. So if you did ever want to add a section to your page, you can. Over here are the different sections that can be added using the Cornerstone plugin. There's the accordion, alert, author, block grid, block quote, button. Button allows people to, go to another page from one page. You got your card, your call out, clear, code, snippet, forms, a counter. This is pretty good. I mean, if you want to just kind of go through and maybe find out what each box does. But for the sake of what we're doing, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use it to add an image. So it's drag and drop. So let me do it again. So we're going to take this, drag it over with your mouse to the area where you want it to be, and release. Then you come over here and you choose a photo that you would like to use. Again, for the sake of what we're doing, we'll pick this one and insert into here. We can do little things with this. We can make it rounded. We can make it into a circle. You can make it into a thumbnail or just none, anything. All right, so that's how you add an image using one of the Cornerstone elements. I'm sure my client does not want this here, so I'm going to delete it. If you want to delete a section, here is the area. So we don't want to use image anymore, so we're going to go ahead and delete that. And we also don't need this second section here, so we're going to click out in this area. We are going to delete that section. Yep. And of course, once we finish doing what we have to do with this page, we always save. And we go back to the dashboard. And just to make sure our stuff looks the way that we want to, we can go right up here and click view page to make sure the page looks right in real time. Looks like everything looks good here. So we'll end this tutorial, and this is how you edit a page using your Cornerstone plugin.